Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable and disable app pinning on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and from here just scroll down and tap on password and security. And from here just scroll down and tap on app pinning. Now just enable this option. Now once you enable this option, just tap on OK. Now to pin an app, just go to the recent apps section and tap on the drop down arrow at the top of your window. And from here, as you can see, there is the option for app pinning. Now just tap on got it. Now as you can see, this app is pinned on your smartphone. Just like that. Now to disable app pinning, just tap and hold on the back button and the recent apps button at the same time. Just like that. Now as you can see, app is unpinned. Just like that. And this is how you can enable and disable app pinning on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.